Hello, beautiful boys and girls, and welcome to my kitchen. This is my real kitchen. My fridge, my kitchen cabinets, my calendar on the wall. This is where I live and where I cook for my family. I'm here today because I would like to teach you how to prepare one of my favorite sweets. It's called chocolate coconut slice. Chocolate coconut slice.
Hello, hello everybody, all together we will play.
Okay, 3 very important things before we start. Number 1, wash your hands. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands. We do it every day. Number 2, wear your apron. Number 3, step on a stool or on a chair. And get ready. Let's see the ingredients now.
Butter, 125 grams. Biscuits, 250 grams. Coconut flour, 100 grams. Water, 300 milliliters. And sugar, 150 grams. Rum, optional, 1 tablespoon. Chocolate, dark, 150 grams. And milk, 50 milliliters.
Now that we have all the ingredients ready, I will teach you how to make this chocolate coconut slice.
Put butter in a bowl to soften. Then put sugar, water and rum in a small saucepan on the stove and bring to the boil and mix until sugar is dissolved completely. Crush biscuits until they become crumbs. You can do it by hand or you can use a blender. Grab the bowl with butter and add in biscuit crumbs, coconut flour, and pour in the water and sugar syrup. Reserve some syrup if the mixture seems too soft. Stir, combine well until you have a soft mixture. Then line a tray or tin with baking paper and spread the mixture evenly until it's flat like this. Melt chocolate with milk on the stove or in the microwave. Once you have a nice and glossy chocolate sauce, pour on the slice and spread it out nice and evenly. Then put in the fridge for 3 or 4 hours and just wait. After 3 or 4 hours, cut slice to make small squares or rectangles. You can use a knife or cookie cutters to cut out different shapes. And now I'm going to make myself a cup of tea and enjoy my chocolate coconut slice. There it is, ready to eat. Do you like it?
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's really one of my favorite. My mom used to make it for me at my birthday party. Just remember not to have too much because it's very high in calories and sugar. And always remember to brush your teeth after you have it, okay? Well, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you for liking, commenting and sharing and subscribing. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.